Welcome to AI Nexus GameLab. In this video, we take the classic Google Chrome Dino game to a whole new level by leveraging the power of Unity and AI. Join me on this coding adventure as we explore the fascinating world of game development and artificial intelligence. In the first step, I created 2D images like dinosaurs and cactus and backgrounds with the help of Microsoft Bing Image Creator. The second step before making animation like running, jumping and others. In Photoshop, all of the body parts must be in one layer. After the layers are prepared, export for the next step. At this step, I made animations like running, jumping and other things. I used Dragon Bones 2D free software. After these steps, I need to import all the files into the game engine so I can make the game. I use Unity. I adjust the animations to can control them from the code. Now is the time for programming. I use ChatGPT for scripting. I tried to test AI. But for some things I couldn't get AI help and it didn't work and I programmed it myself. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on future AI-driven gaming content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next AI-powered gaming adventure.